Welcome back, F-Series guys. Today's product that I am going to be installing is a AJB FabNet shifter. It's made in Salem, Oregon. It's not polished, but it is almost polished. As far as the actual shifter itself, comes down, it's welded, and then it has your two bolts for mounting. This leather shifter boot, this actually comes with a little bit of tape across it to keep it from getting scratched. I removed that previously. Now it comes with this shifter and the jam nut and stuff, and this is what it looks like on the end. Very nice quality made products, made in USA. But here is where my quirks are. This costs $100. It cost me $112 to get it shipped all the way here to Eastern Kentucky. Comes with these self-tapping screws, or bolts, what you want to call them, and that's it. That's how it mounts. And this is actually made with double-sided tape. Now the instructions are not clear. It just says to make sure that you mount this using basically two mounting plates, which it only comes with one, so it doesn't specify to use your old plastic one or not, so I'm just going to go without. But yeah, it's just held on by double-sided tape. It's spread out in here, which I have no problems with this if it works. And this is quite thick itself. Overall, I'm happy with the product, but it does have its roughness around the edges. Now the box came with 2 cards, a sticker, and again the mounting hardware and stuff. But I just wanted to show how this looks as far as being outside, what you normally wouldn't see. Alright, moving on in. Please excuse the nasty carpet. I want to make a note that this is an automatic carpet. It wasn't cut for the shifter. This was just whacked out enough to push it through by the previous owner. It was not my doing. But anyways, you're going to need a 10mm wrench to take these 2 bolts off your shifter. They're probably going to be real tight, so I actually went ahead and broke these loose before I started taping here because they were so tight. So just go ahead and remove those, get those out of the way. Alright, so now once we got this in, I had to turn this backwards of how I thought it would go in. The way they did this. I don't know why they didn't put this up in the center there, but that's not me. That's whatever. Now, these bolts and nuts are actually 1/2 inch, and they are lock nuts, so they won't back out. Now, what you could do at this point, drill your stump out just a fuzz bigger and tap those and make them threaded, but this is the easiest solution. If it gives me any problems, I will do that. Now, something else I'd like to note is this shifter that I bought from JB's is about 3 inches longer than this other one, so you're going to get a higher stick than you normally would with your factory shifter. So now you can see an idea of how long that actually is. It's all installed except for putting that down, which I can do that in a minute. But yeah, I just wanted to show this. It's quite a bit taller in reference to what I was used to, but it doesn't touch and connect up here or down here or anywhere. It's in second gear. It's just closer to you, but it's not a real issue.